let us learn the 5 layers of cornea. This is the outer layer formed by stratified squamous epithelium. For time being, let us call this as layer A, followed by its basement membrane, which is called as a Bowman's capsule. So Bowman's capsule, B for Bowman's capsule, layer B. C, 90% of the corneal is made up of substantia propria. So we call it C for connective tissue, that is substantia propria. And finally, we have D is a posterior limiting membrane. That's a Descemet's membrane. So that stands for D. And finally, E, the endothelium. So knowing the alphabets A, B, C, D, E, you can very well name the layers of the cornea. So again, coming back to the outer layer or A, layer A is formed by stratified squamous non-keratinized epithelium. Notice one thing, when you look at epithelium, you can see regular arrangement of cells, either columnar, cuboidal or squamous. Here it is stratified squamous non-keratinized epithelium. So the basal layer is formed by columnar cells, followed by 5 to 6 layers of polygonal cells, followed by squamous cells. So this is stratified squamous epithelium, non-keratinized epithelium. Every epithelium has a basement membrane. So basement membrane of this outer epithelium, that is A, that is stratified squamous non-keratinized epithelium, is called as a Bowman's membrane. So that will for B. And followed by the connective tissue area, that is 90% of the cornea is made up of corneal stroma or the connective tissue known as a substantia propria. Here you can see the nuclei of the connective tissue are scattered. They are not packed like epithelium. These are scattered and the collagen fibers are regularly arranged. This regularity causes the cornea to become transparent. And finally, you have the endothelium, that is E, and the basement membrane of the endothelium, which is called as the Descemet's membrane, that is D. So finally, once again, A for outer stratified squamous epithelium, B for the Bowman's capsule which forms the basement membrane, C for the connective tissue, and E for the inner endothelium, and D for the Descemet's membrane. Thank you.